Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a conductivity experiment. For this you're going to need 3 household items, 3 alligator clips, 2 AA batteries, 1 LED, and a AA battery holder. So let's begin. First off, start putting the batteries inside your battery holder. Make sure that the flat side goes on top of the spring. Then, with these 2 wires, there's one red and one black. Remember that the red one is a positive wire and the black one is a negative wire. We're gonna be needing this information later on. Next, attach the alligator clips to the metal parts of the wire. You should have something like this. It doesn't matter of the color of the alligator clips. You can choose the one you want. So after you attach the alligator clips, you're gonna take the LED diode. Now remember, at the end there are 2 different sticks. One of them is longer and one of them is shorter. The longer one is a positive one, remember that. Now with the positive stick, you're going to attach it to the alligator clip that's attached to the positive side, so the red wire from the battery holder. Now you're going to have 1 alligator clip left. Put it on. It doesn't matter, just put it on this side. Remember, it has to be the other side of the LED diode so you can see there are 2 different sides, and don't make them touch or else this is not going to work. Okay, so now we're going to show you that. Now take the items you picked. So for me, I picked a coin, some paper, and and plastic.
And I picked some plastic and a coin.
So we're going to begin like this. Remember that your knob on the thing is off. If it's on, you're gonna get shocked and it's gonna hurt. So when it's off, find the item, take first item. For me, I'm gonna take the coin first. Now attach it at the end. Now use the alligator clips and attach it at each end of the wire at the coin. Remember, don't separate any other alligator clips. Use the alligator clips that was open before. Now, after you attached it, don't touch anything other than this box. But I'm gonna hold you this wire just to show you. Now, when you switch it on, the metal works. Don't touch the metal. If the light's on, then you're gonna touch that metal. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna shock you. Now, off it. Now remove this object and find another object. I'm going to take the Lego or the plastic. Just like this. Now sit that part down. And that's on it again. It's not on no matter how many times I flick the switch. So we put the coin on this side because it works, but I'm gonna put the Lego or the plastic on the other side because it does not work. Now let's try the paper. Will it work? No. So now I'm going to tell you why the metal coin worked and the plastic and paper did not work. So now I'm going to tell you the reason why it works only with the metal coin and doesn't work with the plastic and paper. So there are two types of circuits. There's an open circuit and a closed circuit. A closed circuit, well, an open circuit is when the circuit has a gap in it. Like a circle, like if it's a circle and you cut it, and there's a gap in it. Now, if it does not make the full loop, it's not going to work. Like you see, there's a gap in the circuit, and when I on it, the light is not going to work. Because the electrons or the electricity has to flow in a constant loop always. But the second when I attach these two ends, the light activates. You can see that again. That's the light, it's closed. Wait, it's open, it's closed. It's open, it's closed. So, the reason and that's the two types of circuits. Now, there are three different objects. But the reason the metal has conducts electricity is because it has dislocal electrons. That means that the electrons inside the metal flow around easily. And when one of those electrons gets charged by the electricity, it carries the electricity around. Then, when that electricity comes from this one, it goes inside the electrons and comes into this one, closing the circuit and bring the electricity to the light where it can work. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Bye.
Bye.